Can nuts help you lose weight? Nuts get a bad reputation because they are high in fat and calories and therefore seen as a forbidden food for weight loss. But what's the truth behind nuts and weight loss? Stay until the end and I'll tell you which nut is the best for you to eat and why. For science-based and practical weight loss advice from a registered dietitian, me, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I post a new video every Thursday. My name is Adrienne. I'm a registered dietitian with a Master's of Science in Nutrition, a certified diabetes educator, and a healthy weight loss coach. I've helped thousands of people with their healthy eating and weight loss goals over the years, and I've been awarded the 2021 Consumer Choice Award for Registered Dietitian and Weight Loss Management. Nuts are a healthy food to have for weight loss. Nuts contain healthy, unsaturated fats, and many nuts even include omega-3 fatty acids, which are a type of unsaturated fat. Unsaturated fats and omega-3 fatty acids help lower cholesterol and triglyceride levels, also known as TG in your blood work, to prevent heart disease. They also prevent blood clotting to reduce the risk of stroke. The omega-3 content is particularly high in walnuts and pecans. Pistachios, pine nuts, and hazelnuts also have some omega-3 fats. Nuts also naturally contain something called plant sterols. Plant sterols resemble cholesterol but prevent the cholesterol from entering the body and increasing your blood cholesterol level. Nuts are also a source of protein and contains fiber. Nuts can be used to swap out animal protein like beef, pork, or chicken at a meal, which is healthier because of the cholesterol-lowering properties and heart-healthy properties in nuts. So I told you about the health benefits of nuts, but how does it translate to weight loss? Because of the high fat, protein, and fiber content, nuts help you stay feeling fuller longer. However, it can be easy to munch away at nuts because they are crunchy, tasty, and add to this mouthfeel with their high fat content. And that tastes good. This is where being mindful about the portion sizes of nuts are important. One serving size of nuts is a quarter cup, which roughly translates to about 170 calories. This portion size can replace the chicken or beef on a salad or added to the side of a meal that doesn't have any protein, like a veggie soup or oatmeal or cereal. And because nuts also offer fiber, it's adding more satiety than just having a piece of animal protein. Enjoy nuts as a part of your eating routine for weight loss. So which nut is the best option for you? Walnuts take the #1 spot. The reason is because it has the highest omega-3 content and a high polyunsaturated fat content. In other words, it provides the maximum benefit for cholesterol lowering and heart health. However, like I mentioned earlier, all nuts are good overall for heart health, so enjoy the ones that you do like. But if you had to eat one for maximum health benefits, go with walnuts. Nut butters are also a great option because they are just the whole nut ground up and made into a peanut butter, walnut butter, or almond butter option. I share a delicious and easy one-pan baked chicken, peanut, and rice recipe. Get this easy weight loss recipe to get you started for free from my website at adriennrd.com or click the link in the description below my video to get the recipes. Check out these other videos to get more tips and recipes on healthy weight loss from me. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and hit the bell button and subscribe to my YouTube channel.